Hi guys, welcome back to How to Use Math. Today I'll teach you how to use general part 2. Part 2. Last time we had do a part 1. Okay, first and foremost, we always get back to system preference. And then of course back to general. And then we are doing this part. Everybody see this? First, we'll teach you how to about the scroll bar. Scroll bar is about automatically based on mouse or trackpad. It's like pushing down your mouse, pushing down your mouse, pushing down your mouse. Then the second is scrolling. It's like push your mouse, not push your mouse, just push your surface of your mouse. Third is always. Then when you move around, there will be scroll bar come out. Fourth is about your default browser. Yeah, Safari, Firefox, Google Chrome, or even more like Chromium or whatever. Okay, since this is so easy, what about let's go to part 3 and it comes with part 2. Okay, next, this is about save. First, he will ask you, this is about us to keep change when closing document. If you don't have this, when you press this button, X button, when you didn't save something, he won't tell you. If you open, when you press X, you got save something. You don't have saved something. I mean, you forget to save something, then he will ask you, do you need to save? And then third. And then next is close window when quitting your apps. That means you close that window. But yeah, kind of like that. Next is recent item. I'm not really sure what it means. This is about the Finder stuff. Next is allow handoff between Mac and your iCloud device. If you want to syncing your Mac and your iCloud, then you will need this. Next, use front moving when available. Let's see if you don't know Mac user guide. On your Mac system, prefer to change overlook of Mac. This you can read here if you want to know everything. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.